Our top story here at noon. Jury selection is happening right now in the trial of the man charged with killing Tulsa Police Sergeant Craig Johnson and injuring Officer Aurash Zarkeshan. Thanks for joining us today. I'm Jonathan Cooper. News on 6's Brooke Griffin is live at the Tulsa County Courthouse with the latest on David Ware's trial. Brooke.
Well, there are about 200 people in the jury pool for David Ware's trial. Now, 100 of them are already here today, filling out a first round of questions to determine if they have any sort of bias against this trial. Now, if they do move on, the selected few that do, they will end up getting even more personal questions about their own history involving law enforcement. Now, David Ware is charged with killing Sergeant Craig Johnson and injuring Officer Aurash Zarkeshan in a traffic stop in the summer of 2020. Tulsa County District Attorney Steve Kunzweiler says that he expects this trial to take at least a month, but today they begin the 2-week jury selection process. Now, in most trials, only about 50 people are summoned, but a death penalty case warrants more, which is why there are around 200 jurors that have been summoned in this case. Now, if they don't have enough people to fill the 12 spots this week, then the next 100 people will be questioned next week. If convicted, David Ware could be sentenced to life in prison without the possibility of parole or death. Now, I'm told that there needs to be 50 to 55 potential jurors who will consider all three outcomes equally, regardless of their personal beliefs.
Some people can have their opinions already, their minds made up. We're trying to get those folks who can listen to the evidence and make a decision irrespective of what they may have heard.
And once those 12 jurors are selected, then attorneys say that they expect it will take about another 2 weeks in order for both sides to present all the evidence in this case. Live in Tulsa, Brooke Griffin, Oklahoma's Own News on 6.